Welcome to this MachineBuilder quick tip video on multi-part selection. There are three methods you can use to select multiple components within MachineBuilder. The first is by holding Control and left-clicking on all the components you would like to highlight in one go. By letting go of Control and clicking out an open space, you can deselect all highlighted components. The second method is the left drag select. By clicking and holding the left mouse button and dragging from left to right, you'll create a window that will highlight all components that rest entirely within this windowed space. The final method is the right drag select. By clicking and holding on the left mouse button and dragging from right to left, you will create a window that will highlight all components that come in contact with it, meaning that the components do not need to rest within the window entirely to be selected. Again, left-click out an open space to deselect all highlighted components.